Ever wondered what Indonesia looks like from above? Get ready to be amazed. The islands, the volcanoes, the culture, trust me, you've never seen anything like it. Today we're taking you on a breathtaking journey through Indonesia's top tourist destinations, all captured by drone. We're talking epic landscapes, turquoise waters, ancient temples, and maybe even a Komodo dragon or two. So sit back, crank up the resolution, and prepare to have your mind blown. First up, we have Bali, known as the Island of Gods. And for good reason. You see those rice paddies? Yeah, they're everywhere. Lush, green, terraced masterpieces carved right into the hillsides. But Bali is more than just pretty landscapes. It's got this vibrant energy, a mix of ancient spirituality, incredible art, and some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. We're talking bustling markets, epic surf breaks, and those iconic kikak dances at sunset. You can't experience Indonesia without feeling the magic of Bali. Next, we fly over Komodo Island, part of Komodo National Park. This place is straight out of Jurassic Park. We're talking about the Komodo dragon, the largest living lizard on Earth. These guys can grow up to 10 feet long, weigh over 200 pounds, and have a venomous bite that can take down a buffalo. But don't worry, we're keeping a safe distance with our trusty drone. Beyond the dragons, Komodo Island boasts some of the most pristine beaches you'll ever see. White sand, turquoise water, and not a soul in sight. It's like stepping back in time. Raja Ampat, an underwater paradise. Our third stop is Raja Ampat, a diver's paradise. Imagine this, over 1,500 islands scattered across crystal clear waters, teeming with more marine life than anywhere else on Earth. We're talking over 1,300 species of fish, 700 types of coral, and mind-blowing visibility. You can dive with manta rays the size of cars, swim alongside gentle whale sharks, and explore vibrant coral reefs bursting with color. Raja Ampat is a reminder of just how incredible our planet truly is. Borobudur Temple, a journey through time. Now let's soar over Borobudur Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most impressive Buddhist monuments ever built. Picture this, a massive, ancient temple complex dating back to the 9th century with over 500 Buddha statues and intricate carvings depicting the life of Buddha. I'm talking thousands of pilgrims used to journey here to make offerings and seek enlightenment. Standing at the top of Borobudur, overlooking the lush green valleys, you can't help but feel a sense of peace and wonder. Mount Bromo, the land before time. Finally, we reach Mount Bromo, an active volcano and one of Indonesia's most iconic landmarks. Imagine this, waking up at 3 a.m., hiking up a steep volcanic ash slope in the pitch black, and then witnessing the sunrise over Mount Bromo's smoking crater. Trust me, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. The otherworldly landscape, the cool morning air, the smell of sulfur in the air, it's like stepping onto another planet. If you're looking for adventure, Mount Bromo is calling your name. So there you have it. A glimpse into the beauty and wonder of Indonesia as seen from above. From the rice paddies of Bali to the volcanic peaks of Mount Bromo, Indonesia has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this aerial adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing travel content. Which destination was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.